Hi, I'm Stephanie Kaiser, your Lilla Rose independent hairstylist, and today I'm going to show you some different hairstyles as well as tell you about our Flexi clips. Our Flexi clips are made with piano wire, so they're flexible and they bend and they're not going to hurt your hair, and then they're connected so you don't lose them. The pin goes through the loop on the other side, and you would wear it like you would wear any sort of ponytail holder, plastic claw clip, barrette. They work in all hair types from thin and slippery to thick and curly and everywhere in between. On my website, you can find different sizing videos to help you pick the right size. And this is Jessica, and she's going to help me model some different styles. So the first thing that's easiest to do is just a straight ponytail. And you're just going to want to make sure you gather all of her hair. And Jessica's a medium, so we're going to use the medium Flexi. It's easiest to hold the Flexi like this, and the pin goes underneath whatever hair you're trying to gather, and the top goes over it like a sandwich, and then you get the pin through the other side like this, and it keeps it like that in a ponytail. If you wanted to do just pulling your sides back, you would end up just taking however much hair you wanted to pull back for that. I usually size down one size for like a partial pony. So for her, we would use a small. Again, the clip goes underneath the hair you wanna hold back, and like this for a partial pony. The other thing that I love to do, being a busy mom, and do something different than a mom bun or a ponytail, is do a French twist. You just would gather your hair like this into a ponytail and then twist it around and twist it up. And then you would take your Flexi and you would anchor it here through. I feel like a little bit more put together when I do it this way. And then you could put your tails together like that. The other thing that we have, which is super fantastic, especially if you love doing a bun, is a Swerve U-pin. It looks like this. It keeps it in. So you would just gather your hair like you would to put it into a bun. Make your hair into a bun, twist your hair around, do the tails around. And then the thing with the Swerve is you want it to mirror the shape of your head. And so you want it round like this, but to get it nice and tight, which is the key to these, you want to make sure it's nice and tight so it's not going to go anywhere or fall out. You kind of want to put it in like a little bit of backwards and flip it over. And then you push it through your hair like this, and then it holds it up in a nice bun like this. The Swerve's kind of made, I think, to disappear a little bit more. You can see the ends a little bit, especially if you turn your head this way a little bit. Yep, perfect. To disappear a little bit more, but we also have decorative U-pins where there's two of them with a little decoration on the end, and the same thing, but you would use two of them to anchor your bun, and then you end up with a little bit of pretty decoration popping out on either side. The other thing we have before I take her bun down are these leather 8s, which work similar to the Flexi clip, but they come with the hair stick. They either come with, you can get a matching coordinating hair stick, or we have fun decorative ones that you can switch out, and they work the same way to hold the hair up, but they're not connected. And these are really good for buns as well. So if we take these decorative U-pins out, you would just lay this over. You would stick your hair stick through the one side, and then you would push it through your hair so it comes out the loop on the other side, and then you end up with a leather 8 in your hair like this. You could also use this to do a ponytail or a partial up or a French twist as well. They're just as versatile as the Flexi clip. Another thing you could do is, if you like wearing your hair in braids, would be to braid it. Our Flexis come in a variety of sizes from extra small, the mini, all the way to mega. So you could do pretty much all sorts of different hair styles, and depending on how thick your hair is or how fine your hair is, what the size would be. Most people can use a range of Flexi sizes depending on how they wear it. So if you were to braid your hair, this is our mini clip. You could use it at the end, a mini one, to secure the braid down at the end like that. So those are the different hairstyles that I have for you today. Thanks, Jessica, for being my model, and feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you might have. Thanks.